Today in Math of Physics Academy, let us discuss something about Newton's first law of motion. In my previous video, when I talked about the Academy, Math of Physics Academy, and the role of the Academy in providing education to all students in a different manner. The manner in which the learning will touch the individual. The manner in which the learning will bring change in behavior of the individual. That learning we are going to talk about today, and I have taken the first topic as Newton's first law of motion. There is a strong reason behind that why I took this Newton's first law of motion first. Most of us are creating our own comfort zone, and that comfort zone we create as per our own convenience. We take our mind, or we ensure that our mind is lying in that comfort zone for a longer time. We all know that comfort zone is covered with fear zone. If we want to come out from that comfort zone, certainly it is covered with fear zone, which is not making us to come out. Similarly, when we talk about our mind also is in comfort zone, and that mind needs some kind of change only when I am creating a disturbance in my mind in some way or the other to have a change. Newton's first law of motion says that a body which is at rest or a body which is in motion continues to be in a state of motion unless acted upon by some external force to act otherwise. If really we need learning, gentlemen, we need to create an additional force to the mind, because the mind also, which is at whatever position, it may be mobile, it may be in motion, it may be at rest, it may be in its own comfort zone, it will not change until unless will not create or will not exert an external force to act otherwise. Newton's first law of motion is clearly applicable on our own mind, on our own body, on our own body parts. If in this way we learn laws of not only motion, various other laws, it may be related with economics, laws of economics, it may be related with laws of commerce, it doesn't matter. Feeling matters, and that particular learning, when we make our students to compare their learning with their own body parts, with their own thinking, with their own feelings, with their own expressions, with their own desire, then the learning is different. Then the learning is entirely different, and that's what we do in Math of Physics Academy. More details, if you need, kindly fill that Google form. We will contact you at the earliest. Thank you.